an assignment. They either had to make a hot pack or a cold pack. And we set them, we looked up some chemicals, figured out which ones were the cheapest, but still we picked 4 for an endothermic reaction and 4 for exothermic reactions. And they had to test them to figure out their change in enthalpy for each reaction and just kind of think about, are the chemicals toxic? How cost effective would it be to make a hot pack out of these? Yeah, safety reasons, is it going to produce a gas where you can't contain the mixture in a hot pack, so it's going to explode due to the gas production. So they had to look at a lot of different factors, and that's the rubric just kind of what we graded them on. But eventually we had them make iMovies, and we only spent, I think, 3 days in the computer lab actually making the iMovies, and they put a lot of lab time in, I shouldn't say a lot, maybe 2 or 3 days beforehand. And this was just one group that we kind of liked. Is your speaker and stuff?
Oh, it's the great one. And this is her Schoology account here. So this is where, let me plug it in.
Oh, yeah.
This is where we made an assignment, and we said that they had to they had to upload it to YouTube and create an update on our Schoology page by 3 p.m. on X date. And then, so this is their, they put their YouTube, and I made my kids put both kids' names and if it was a hot or cold pack. And then afterwards, part of our assignment also was voting.
Yeah, so the kids were required to watch 2 hot pack videos and 2 cold pack videos, and then they, we created a Google form, which I'm not super good with yet, but we created a Google form where they went in, they checked off which 4 videos they watched, and then they voted on which one they thought was the best and why. And just in terms of the links here, after they watched them, we required that they commented on 4. It didn't have to be a super thorough comment, just I liked the pictures and data you gave, the excitement in the commercial was awesome compared to others, great data and music was a real commercial. So just quick little things to show they actually watched it. Let's see. Oh,
Can you check the volume just by hitting the speaker?
Yeah.
I think it should work.
Have you ever been cold? Of course you have.
Be cold no longer with MK Hot Pack.
MK hot packs are made from the finest warming materials. An insulated plastic material surrounds the products. This insulated material is thick as to not let any of the reaction escape and adapt to your heating need.
To activate, pop the inner bag and warm yourself in no time.
Packs contain a powdery substance called sodium hydroxide, in which 3 grams of it is kept inside a thin, poppable capsule. To make this reaction, the mixture requires 30 milliliters of water, which keep your fingers and toes warmer for longer.
Better than those thin, old gloves inside too long. Our packs create exothermic reactions that release negative 40 kilojoules per mole. That's a lot.
As easy as 1, 2, 3.
Just pop the inner pack, place a cold area, and warm relief.
That's right. Just pop, place, and warm.
Pop the pack, place it there, let it warm up. This may include sneezing, sore throat, or runny nose. Inflammation of the lungs may occur. Swelling may cause severe burns in the mouth, throat, and stomach. Severe scarring of tissue and death may result. Symptoms of eating or drinking sodium hydroxide may include bleeding, throwing up, or diarrhea. A drop in blood pressure may also occur. Great exposure to eyes can cause burns that may result in permanent damage to vision, including blindness. If you already have skin, eye, or pigment problems, you may be more likely to experience harmful effects. If you get a liquid or vapor in your eyes, flush eyes with plenty of water. If any of these symptoms occur, call a doctor right away or 1-800-GET-HELP.
You can use MK hot packs whenever you're cold because of its efficient warming abilities, showing the reasonable amount of heat it produces without creating a gas.
Any air pressure inside the bag can cause the bag to explode, unlike to those cheap alternatives. One box contains 10 hot packs.
Okay, so you get the idea. So they had fun with it, and actually did a little chemistry, which was good in the meantime. So yeah, I mean, if it's something you'd like to do or adapt for your class, we actually have the whole packet. We just didn't want to waste all that paper if you're not going to use it, but feel free to contact us, and we'd be happy to send that along. Yes?